Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to activate the Secure Boot Windows 11. In the Windows search engine, enter the word misinfo32, then click on System Information Utility to open it. Now in the line Secure Boot State, validate the current state. In this case, we see that it is deactivated. In order to activate it, we will use the advanced start that is in this route. Start, Settings, System, and Recovery. Now click on the Restart Now option. We will see that the system reboots in this advanced startup mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. In this new window, we will click on the options, Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and finally in UEFI Firmware Settings. Here click on the Restart option. The system will access the UEFI. The options may be slightly different depending on the motherboard model, but in general they look similar. In this case, we will go to the Security section. In Secure Boot, click on Secure Boot and choose the Enabled option. We apply the changes with F10. The system will be rebooted. Open MS-Info32 again from Windows Search to see the current status of Secure Boot. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.